In 2010, we launched a new pizza recipe with a breakthrough ad campaign. It started by admitting our pizza sucked, as told by real Domino's employees and real customers.
Saul, did you say?
To me, Domino's tastes low quality and forgettable.
Domino's crust is a little too rubbery.
We displayed real reviews of the new pizza, good or bad. The first quarter after the launch, same-store sales increased 14.3%. Still the largest jump ever recorded by a major fast food chain. The stock price increased by 62% in 3 months. Clients cried. Franchisees cheered. The press ran with the story to the tune of 500 million earned impressions. Stephen Colbert aired a 4-minute tribute to the new pizza and campaign.
Folks, it takes alpha meatballs to stand up and say, America, we suck.
Great, now what? We couldn't reinvent the pizza again, so to continue the momentum, we had to continue to take action. To prove our relentless drive to do the unthinkable, the brand platform was built around the tagline, "Oh yes, we did." So we followed up the launch by taking on one of the most deceptive practices in advertising, the cheese pull, and vowed to never doctor or Photoshop our pizza again. To prove this, we asked customers to take pictures of their pizza and use them in our advertising. We even used a bad photo as an opportunity for Domino's CEO Patrick Doyle to issue an apology on TV.
This can't happen. Bryce, I promise you, I will fix this.
Next, we streamed real-time, unfiltered customer reviews in the most public place in the world, Times Square, and created a national TV spot to show it off. 3 years after a video shot in a Domino's by an employee ignited a media firestorm known as Boogergate, we returned with cameras of our own and streamed live and uncut for a month from inside a real Domino's store. Domino's Live was featured in monologues from Fallon, Leno, and Conan.
Domino's customers can now order a pizza and watch it being made online.
Online orders have a higher ticket average than phone orders, and customers order more frequently and are more satisfied. So we set the goal of reaching 55% digital orders by 2015. To accelerate this transition, we invented Pizza Tracker and added pizza profiles that allow customers to order in as few as 5 clicks. To make it possible to order any way and anywhere, we created the first voice-controlled pizza ordering robot.
Dom, I'm gonna need a pizza.
I thought you'd never ask.
Emoji ordering so people could get their favorite pizza with a single tweet or text, and a Domino's iPad app featuring the latest generation of Pizza Builder, now in 3D. It quickly became the Domino's ordering platform with the highest conversion and average ticket. Since the launch of the Pizza Turnaround, we have achieved 20 straight quarters of positive same-store sales growth, making Domino's one of the fastest-growing QSRs. We reached $1 billion in online sales in 2012 and in 2014. We surpassed $4 billion globally in online sales, with 55% of all orders in the U.S. done online. As for the stock price, it has now risen a total of 1,300%, recently hitting a record high of $104. And we aren't done yet.